So I'm back. Welcome to my channel. So I haven't made a video for like 2 months, and I feel like I'm gonna do a video because I like doing videos. I love my 58 subscribers. I mean, that's a lot of people, and I want to make a video for them. So thank you all for the subscribers. I love y'all. So today I'm going to show you my glassy makeup tutorial school. This is my makeup to school. Yeah, this is very basic. Anyone can do it. The brands here is local. That's my brother. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to use my BB cream Pond's, and I'm going to use it on my hands. I'm just gonna apply it with my hands, and I'm not going to use a beauty blender for it. So yeah, because it is really buildable and blendable. I love this product and it's perfect for my oily skin. So next I'm going to use some concealer 10 Light from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it all over my under eyes, as you can see, because I have worst under eyes ever. And I'm just going to let it sit, and I'm gonna dry it out. And next I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender because it blends well with a beauty blender and it sets well also. And I'm going to use my finger to blend it out also. So I'm going to set it with the Shiseido. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to put it all over my face to set the products out, and it really mattifies my face. And I like the matte face thing because it really is perfect for oily face. As you can see, it blends out well. All the products blends out well. So next I'm going to apply my eyebrows with some pomade, and I'm not gonna show it to you guys the full video about how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to do a separate video on how I make my eyebrows, but I just use some ABH pomade Ebony, that's the shade, and I'm going to fill out my eyebrows. So next I'm going to do is the Maybelline V Face contour stick. So I'm going to contour my cheeks, my nose, and my chin because I have a fat face and I have a fat chin. I hate it, I know. So I'm going to blend it out with some beauty blender. I like the beauty blender to blend it out. I don't like a brush because it removes the product out, as you can see. So next I'm going to use some blush all over my cheeks, and I'm just not gonna do it all over my nose too. I don't like the sun-kissed look to my school because it really gets out of my nose contour and I hate it. So yeah, I'm going to apply. Next is the Vice Cosmetics lip tint in the shade Virgin. I'm going to put it all over my lips. I like this because this is a really good lip tint. I love it. And next I'm going to take the American Eagle lip gloss, which I also love. I put it all over my lips to use it as a lip gloss. So next I'm going to highlight my face. I actually forgot to highlight while I'm doing my contour. So I'm just going to do a lot of highlight because I want to glow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Follow all of my social medias. I love you.